Let's start a recording and see where this goes. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Coding Monday. Bow, theme song here. Bow. Theme song right here. Got freezage already. Oh my god. I am running a test of my recording software to see how well it records my video and my code here. Anyways, let's just get this underway and see what we get. This, as you can see up here from the address, is codeacademy.com. Just hop on over here. You don't got to type in all that other stuff. It'll, that's just stuff it throws in. And boom, you can learn how to program. Pretty much, you just start doing what it says. It kind of gives you. It is teaching a specific language, but it just kind of gives you good, generic, simple commands to learn, which I'm not sure what specific language that is. Python, C++, C#. I'm not sure. I'd assume it's Python or C++. Could be Java. I don't know how to program. I don't know languages. But yes, it just starts you off with one and just go with it. I mean, if you don't know how to program and you haven't ever done it for 10, 15, 5 years, whatever, and you've been saying you're going to, well, just do it. Just come to the site and start doing it and see where it gets you. It may not be the best resource, but it might be the perfect resource. You've been trying the books, you've been trying the videos, you're trying other things. Maybe you never tried anything before, you just talked about it, or even took classes. The least amount I ever learned in coding was a class I took. Not that classes are bad, but it was just this one teacher. Oh God, worst, horrible classroom experience. I know. Okay, anyways, let's see what we have here. Type it with quotes around it like this. Alright. Origosis. That want to be a quote. Well done! How long is your name? Find out by typing your name in quotes and ending it with .length. Press enter afterwards. Do this from now on after you complete the instructions. Okay, so Origosis .length. I put it in a space. Hopefully that's okay. Apparently it was, and my name is 8 characters long. Great job. Now let's do some math. You can do math through programming. Calculate an addition operation you like. Add any two numbers in the form 3 space plus space 4 period. I don't know if I need the period or not, but let's see what we get. Okay, so let's do 7 plus 6. Did not need the period. See what happened? You can use command line to do basic math operations. Try playing around some more. You can use the asterisk for multiplication and the forward slash, backslash. I can never remember what the slashes are called. I say that's going in a forward direction, but it depends. Is it going forward because it starts at the bottom and goes up, or is it going backwards because it starts at the bottom, because they talk about top down? You see, they can call it a forward slash and a backslash, but where's the starting point? Enough about slashes. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure if I need to enter or if this thing just plays around with it. 13 times 13. Uh-oh, what happened? 169. Here are some things you can't do in the console. Computers only speak certain languages, like the one you've been using today. Javascript! Hey, there it is. It's JavaScript. If you use words that aren't in JavaScript language, it will get confused and give you an error. Try to confuse the interpreter by using a word it doesn't know, like eggplant. It will give you a reference error. Okay. Eggplant times 13. Good work completing this section. Start the next section. Eggplant plus 13. Reference, eggplant is not defined. Well done. You've confused the computer. Happy I could. Start the next section. Sweet! On we go! Oh. I want some of this stuff. Well, we're not going to give it any for now. This is a comment from that the computer will ignore. It is for your eyes only. That's right. Computer can't see that stuff. Only me. Rockstar ripoff. Third the price, same flavor. Alright. Wow, it's a lot of words. So far, everything you've done has been one line in the console, but interesting programs involve many lines of code. There is a new tool here, the editor. You can write many lines of code. Press the run button and the output will show in the results box below. I'm sorry, my flow of words with reading today is horrible. I'm usually very good at reading, but I sound like a frickin' 5th grader. No insult to 5th graders. I'm sure there are tons of you. All of you can read better than me. What I mean by that is I'm reading the same way I used to when I was in 5th grade. Oh. Alright, everyone stand up. We're going to take turns reading. Not a good idea. You did not want me reading. 3 sentences later, it was time for recess, and that's if we started at 8 a.m. in the morning. Ugh. Anyways, back to this. You may notice that the box already has some code in it, and each line starts with whack whack. Anything after a whack whack is called a comment and is ignored by the computer. Comments are extremely useful for explaining tricky parts of your code or leaving yourself reminders. You can also temporarily disable lines of code by commenting them out or adding whack whack in front of them. Okay. The computer will ignore codes on lines 1 through 2 since it is commented out. Look at that. On line 4, find the length of the word cake and multiply it by 9. On line 4. Line 4. No. And I can't click in there. Alright, so we want to do cake dot length times 9. Let's see what that gives us. Hey, I did it! I just don't know how to type it into line 4. Ah! Here we go. So I'm ignoring line 3, is that what I'm doing? Okay. Anyways, yes, cool, that works. Okay. Cake dot length times 9. You see, this could be why it's kind of bad to watch the videos, because figuring this out for yourself is part of the learning process. But, again, if you're not already doing it, why not just take the next step and make it even easier? But I do recommend coming here yourself and doing this on your own. Because even if I watched this video myself and someone showed me how to do it exactly, I'd still get to this point and be like, now I gotta figure it out from scratch because I can't remember exactly what they did. And if I try to remember what they did, it's going to take me longer than if I just figure it out on my own. That's me. Alright, run. That's correct! What's this error? Colon, said solid expression. Alright, next exercise. On we go. What am I learning? This is JavaScript, JS, a programming language. There are many languages, but JS has many uses and is easy to learn. What can we use JavaScript for? Make websites, respond to user interaction, build apps and games, blackjack, access information on the internet, find out the top trending words on Twitter by topic, organize and present data, automate spreadsheet work, data visualization. Wording bad. Not his wording, me. We already covered this. My wording bad. Press run to see an example how JavaScript can be interactive. Press run to see an example. Okay, run. This is an example of using JS to create some interactions on a website. Click OK to continue. Alright, on to the next exercise. Interactive JavaScript. What we just saw was a fun example of how JavaScript can be interactive. Try it yourself. Examples. Confirm, I feel awesome. Confirm, I'm ready to go. These boxes can be used on websites to confirm things with users. You've probably seen them pop up when you try to delete important things or leave a website with unsaved changes. Write your own message that you want the user to confirm. Alright, let's go to line 3. Confirm. Brackets. Quotes. And I think throwing that in right off the bat is important. Not sure if a space is needed. I'll do it without the space for now, see what we get. I die a lot. Right? And run. I die a lot, right? Look at that! I wrote that! I wrote that code. Ah! Alright. Yes. On to the next one. Here we go. What is programming? Programming is like writing a list of instructions to the computer, so it can do cool stuff for your with your information. Oh, so it's like a honey to-do list. Is that sexist? Programs can't yet make your bed, but they can do math, keep track of your bank account, or send a message to a friend. To do any of these actions, the program needs an input. You can ask for input with a prompt. Examples: prompt, what is your name? Prompt, what is Ubuntu? Use the prompt command to ask the user where they are from. Ah, I like this. You see, I've seen the other programming languages where the prompt to ask somebody for something was like, declare variable name equals string, meaning it's going to be a word, and then like that call class this, call class I mean, it took like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines of code just to ask somebody what their name was. Not that this doesn't. This is obviously simplified. I'm sure when I'm actually writing a program like this, there are pieces that come before this and pieces that come after it, but still. The fact that all I have to do is type in prompt to create a prompt is pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to do those, and that. That one. There we go. Okay. What is your favorite show? And run. Fire. Fly. Actually, I don't have a favorite. There's like 100 that are all equal in awesomeness. That's just... It's like, which one's better? I can't pick. They're all there. Okay. Data types 1 and 2, numbers and strings. Well, I think that's enough for the first video. That may or may not be posted. It probably will be posted, because I don't know if I feel like recording again. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. This recording went pretty well. Except that I forgot to clean up the couch over there. Maybe seeing the back of the TV here isn't the best view, but whatever. I don't even think you guys care about the video down here. Oh, well, anyways. Thank you for watching Coding Monday. I will see you next Monday, where we will simply continue this tutorial. If you guys want to give it a shot on your own, just go to codeacademy.com, check it out. And I guess I should give thanks to whomever made this. Let's take a look real quick. About us. The gist. Code Academy was created out of the frustration of Zach and Ryan felt with learning how to program. Hey, me too. I mean, I didn't create it because, but tired with less effective text and video resources, they teamed up to create Code Academy, a better, more interactive way to learn programming by actual coding. This is just the beginning. Join us as we make it easy for everyone to love and learn how to program. All right, there you go. Zach and Ryan are the minds behind Code Academy. So that is awesome. That is cool. Again, this is MMO Monday. I will see you guys MMO Monday. How many times did I say that? I wanted to call it MMO Monday because it just kind of rolls off the tongue. But we'll call it Code Monday. And I will see you, gentlemen and ladies, next time.